How can I cancel my eHarmony subscription?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of canceling your eHarmony subscription. This might be a necessary step if you found your special someone, or if you've decided to take a break from online dating. Whatever your reason, we're here to make this process as easy as possible.
Can I cancel my subscription at any time?
Yes, you can. eHarmony allows its users to cancel their subscriptions at any time. However, it's important to note that you might not be eligible for a refund if you cancel before the end of your subscription period. Always check eHarmony's refund policy before proceeding.
How do I cancel my subscription through the website?
To cancel your eHarmony subscription through the website, follow these steps. 1. Log into your eHarmony account. Make sure you're on the desktop version of the site, as this process may not work on mobile. 2. Click on your profile picture at the top right of the screen to bring up the drop-down menu. 3. Select Account Settings. 4. Navigate to the Billing tab. Here you'll find information about your subscription. 5. Click on Cancel My Subscription. Follow the prompts to finalize your cancellation. Remember, canceling your subscription will not delete your account or your profile. If you want to completely remove your presence from eHarmony, you'll need to delete your account separately.
How do I cancel my subscription through the app?
If you're using the eHarmony app, the process is slightly different. Here's how to do it. 1. Open the eHarmony app on your device. 2. Tap on the Settings icon or your profile picture, depending on your device. 3. Go to Account Settings. 4. Select Manage Subscription. 5. Tap Cancel Subscription. Again, follow the prompts to finalize your cancellation. The cancellation process may vary slightly depending on whether you're using an iOS or Android device, as the layout of the app may differ. That's it. You've now learned how to cancel your eHarmony subscription. We hope this guide was helpful. Remember, even if you cancel your subscription, you can always rejoin eHarmony in the future if you choose to. Until then, take care and happy dating.